recipe it says to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit, but our oven only runs on Celsius. What should we do?
That's okay, Ella. To convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit, all you have to do is to use a formula. So you needed how much, Ella?
350 Fahrenheit.
Okay, let's write that down. Now, to convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius, we're going to use this formula. C equals 5F minus 160 over 9. And whenever you use formulas, all you have to do is substitute the value you want. So we want F to be 350. So we put 350 where F is and write the formula exactly as is. And our calculator says 177 degrees. So you can turn the oven to 177 degrees Celsius, Ella.
Thank you.
We can also do the opposite. We can turn Celsius to Fahrenheit if given a formula. So let me show you. So Fahrenheit equals 9C over 5 plus 32. And for example, if you wanted Celsius to be 100 degrees, then to convert it back to Fahrenheit, you use this formula. And wherever you see C, you put the new value given in. So F now equals to 9 times 100 over 5 plus 32. And then if you put that in the calculator, you get F equals 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's how you convert, and that's how we use formulas. Bye!